I do work and I have a few friends and they just couldn't believe it. I mean, oh, I want to do that. I want to do that. I said, I'll tell you where to get it done. I live in Hideaway, Texas. I sell fasteners in Dallas. I drive back and forth every day. I work down there on Irving Boulevard by the old Motor Street, now it's Medical District Drive. Yeah. And I do that daily. They were deteriorating. I mean, I would have lost them in time. It was in the pike, you know? I mean, it was gonna happen. There was no doubt about it. I started this when I was 58, and I figured it would be a lot easier to recover from this at 58 than it would be 68 or 78. And besides that, I wanted to have pretty teeth for all those years. Before, I didn't think about not smiling, but I just didn't. You know, I'd keep my lips together. I heard about Dr. Keith, and I came up here. I went to about 3 different places, and this place impressed me the most, and it just worked out perfect. You know, good people and a close location, and since I've done this, I've met one other person that is very happy with this place. She had her teeth done here. I came in here that morning, I went out, and the next thing I know it's that afternoon. The only thing they have left to do is screw in the temporary teeth. I took off work for a few days. There wasn't a lot of pain. Of course, there was some soreness. When you have all your teeth pulled, it's gonna be sore. I went back to work quickly, and it all went well. They called and checked on me. They take care of you, and they make sure you're all right. They don't just pull your teeth and send you out there and just say you're on your own. Right. I hear you. But it's been very, very easy. I mean, you can't believe it. I mean, from what your teeth look like when you walked in here to holding that mirror up, it's just phenomenal. I do work and I have a few friends and they just couldn't believe it. Oh, I want to do that. I want to do that. I said, I'll tell you where to get it done. And I was going through some major life changes after I started doing this. I'd been a drinker all my life, and I just thought, man, I'm going to get new teeth, new life, new outlook. And I lost probably 30 pounds, stopped drinking, became active in the church. I mean, I just made a life change, and this kind of got it rolling. Mom was tickled to death with the results. It's been a long road, but it's been a rewarding journey. When I first met Dr. Key, like I said, these are really nice people. He was very informative. He told me exactly what was going to happen. The guy's wonderful. He checks on me, makes sure everything's all right, gets me in here regularly. I mean, it's phenomenal. It's been very, very easy, friendly, helpful. I mean, I would feel very safe using this place, you know, giving a reference for this place.